All right, we're in a third generation Volt, and we're trying to replace these windows. You can see the glass broken, and we're trying to figure out how to bolt on this new glass that doesn't have any hardware in it. It just has a hole in it. And so, go up again. I see some access hole. Keep going. And so there's one area. I mean, can a glass just go clip and stick right into there and you call it done deal?
Yeah. That's true. Yeah, it doesn't
It has like a little, the plastic has in there, there's a little hook.
have a hook.
So maybe the glass just goes in and the hook just stays in there, and then that's how it goes up and down. If that's the case, then
We don't need a thing.
so the other thing we could do is we could go on eBay, look for this window used, and look at the picture to see does it sell you only the glass. You can shut down. So what you can do is go to eBay and try to find that glass used.
I saw that too. I saw the used one. They say OEM.
Yeah, so you want to see if they sell the glass with this plastic clip on it,
Let's look at it right now.
or else is it bare. If it's bare, then maybe you have already done ready to
I have a
go.
feeling that might be it. Let me take a look over
Yeah,
eBay.
so that's the other thing.
Yeah. Let me go.
If that is, then it'll be easier than the old school version almost.
Yeah. Like I read about that. I was thinking, I'm not sure if my